I'm Deco Paper. I'm with the mayor's office, and I'm too positive and non-controversial, or so I'm told at times. No, one of my jobs I see as being lead salesman for the city, and I will tell you, it is an easy sell. Augusta is an internationally known brand name of the city for being the home of the Masters, James Brown, Jesse Norman, two-thirds of Lady Annabelle. We saw the results of that last Friday. Starbucks breaking ground on their new $172 million production facility. We went live in Wayne's district after seeing them last Friday. They are over the moon about Augusta, Georgia. They want to invest here. They want to invest in our downtown. So I believe that the best days lie ahead for the city of Augusta, but we do have to be positive. We do have to accentuate all the great things the city's got going on, and we have got to work together. And as Matt said, stop pointing fingers and placing blame. That's the only way we're going to get to greater heights as a city.
And as we tore down the old supper club on Lanny Walker Boulevard to make way for a new city building. We're building a new urban grocery store on 15th Street that may turn into a major development with the Medical Foundation. There's discussions on the Hall of Fame of golf properties, major riverfront multi-use facility to complement the T-Center, which will be open in December. That will give the Convention and Visitors Bureau a way to sell Augusta. And we look at this discussions on the pension properties, the recent sales of Fort Discovery, and the new Croc Center just coming online. 2011, Convention and Visitors Bureau had 200 meetings, generated $40 million in spendings. Sports Council has generated $17 million. And if you look at the bike races, the Ironman, the boat races, the arts, the parades, the market, Sunday night jazz festivals, Augusta is growing every year.
AnibalShow.com.
AnibalShow.com.